welcome back to my channel. We're back this week with another tutorial. I don't know why I just said it like that. So I used a bunch of new products in today's video. I bought a lot off of Morphe. Sometimes you just gotta treat yourself, and that's what your girl did today. I purchased the Jaclyn Hill brush kit, which... can we talk about it? Because no joke, you guys, like I just got this package in the mail today. When I opened it up, I literally heard the heavens singing down because I, first of all, did not expect, like I knew what brushes it came with, but I really didn't expect to see as many as I did. The quality of everything, it just completely blows me away. Morphe never fails to just literally blow the game away. They are just absolutely amazing. I am so insanely happy with everything that I purchased, and everything I used in this video today was really good. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. And a quick note before we get into today's video, make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys liked it. And without further ado, let's get started with today's video.
So the first thing I'm going to do today is prime. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime today. It was my first time using this, and can I say I absolutely love it. It is amazing. I'm just using a Morphe brush to blend that in.
So excited to use these brushes, it's not even funny. Oh my god, and they're all clean.
And then I'm going to pick up my Morphe M438 brush to set my concealer. I'm going to be using the shade Custom from my 15N palette. This is just going to set that concealer like I said earlier. And then I'm going in with a Morphe brush. I forget which number this is, but I'm taking this shade Hello as my first transition shade. You can see I'm really taking my time to blend this in. I sped this up for you guys because I really smoked this out. Initially, I wanted to go in and create a very blown out smoky eye for you guys so you can see me exaggerating that shape, but I changed my mind later, so just ignore that. I'm going in and taking the shade Va Va Voom from the same palette, and I'm just putting this a little bit tighter in that crease area and really focusing on bringing this through that inner corner and outer corner to create that halo effect. Now I forgot to show a clip of the product, but I am using the shade Scene from the same palette. It is the darkest palette, it's the darkest color. It's a very deep purple, and I'm using this to really focus on setting that halo look in the eye. This is the darkest color I'm going to use, so I'm really focusing on putting it in that outer corner and the inner corner and leaving that lid blank. And then you can see I'm just going in and blending everything out. And then I'm going to be going in with the shade Cliché. This is a beautiful purple shade, and I'm going to be putting this over top of that deeper purple shade that I originally put down, just to add a bit more of that light purple tone to the look. This really just helps everything to transition as well, but I really wanted to focus on having that beautiful purple shade in there. And now here is where I'm taking a makeup wipe and just straightening out that edge so it's more of a angled cat eye type of look and less of a blown out smoky eye. And then I'm just taking a clean blending brush and blending out that line that I created so it's a little bit more smooth. And then I'm going to be going in with the shade Creativity from the same palette. This is such a beautiful shade. It really reminds me of almost like a peach Bellini kind of shade. And I'm going to take my MAC Charged Water and a synthetic brush to spray this product to create that extra foiled effect, and I'm focusing on putting this right in the center of that lid. So I'm not taking it too far into the inner corner or the outer corner. This is just going to be the bright color in the middle of the lid to really emphasize that halo effect. And then you can see I'm just going over top of that shade with the Cliché shade again, just to make sure that I still am maintaining that purple tone and it's not going too much into the peach side. This also helps blend between the two shades, the Scene and the Creativity shades. And then once again, just going with a clean blending brush because you can never blend too much. There's literally no such thing. And then I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Smoldering Satin, which is everything I could ever ask for in life. It's absolutely amazing. I'm just taking this and putting it slightly over that Creativity shade just to enhance that foiled effect. I'm just going to dab it on and then blend it out with my finger and repeat that process until I'm happy with the pigmentation of it. Now I'm going in with my Becca First Light Priming Filter, which this is the first time I'm using it, and the packaging and the product itself is so pretty. It's very purple and iridescent, but I'm just going to apply this all over, and then I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte and poreless one, and I'm just going to be applying that with, I believe it's the Morphe Y6 brush. I'm just blending that in and then bringing it down my neck as well. And now I'm going in with the Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics, and I'm just using my finger to blend this in. I prefer to use my finger with this product because it is creamier, so I feel like the warmth of my finger really helps to blend it in. But after this, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which I absolutely love, and I definitely should have used less than this. You'll see as I'm blending this out, it was a little too much, but that's why you see me go back in with my foundation brush to just really blend out that line and make everything look very seamless. Now I'm going in with some cream bronzer and my Sigma F86 brush, and I'm just putting that over where I would bronze with any other kind of bronzer. This is just going to be like a base. We're going to set it later, and it just really helps to enhance the overall tanned effect because I am super pale right now. But you can see I'm just blending that in, and I'm also bringing it down along my jawline and on my temples as well. And then I'm going in with my High Beam highlight from Benefit, and I have to be honest, this is not my favorite product. I find that the way it blends out is like directly the way that you applied it, so as you can see I have those lines on my cheekbone, and when I blended it out I could still see that line. But regardless, we're going to be putting products over top of it, so it's okay. I'm just doing this as a base for my highlighter so that I literally shine like a disco ball, because that's what I was going for today. But then after that, I'm just going to go in and set everything. So I'm going to be taking my RCMA No Color Powder for under my eyes just to make sure that that concealer stays in place all day. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking my BareMinerals BarePro powder. As you can see, I was getting it while I was filming this, but I'm just using a light coat to set everything. Now I'm going to contour, and all the brushes I'm using today are from the Jaclyn Hill brush collection with Morphe, but I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour and really chiseling out my cheekbones, my temples, and my jawline. So now I'm taking my new favorite brush. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It makes bronzing so easy and it blends everything out so seamlessly. As you can see, I'm really obsessed. But I'm just taking two bronzers from my Morphe bronzing palette and applying those. And then I'm going in with the blush from Sonia Kashuk in the shade Flamingo. This is just a beautiful rosy color that really helps to bring the face to life, in my opinion. I actually really love this, and I feel like it's super underrated. So if you have the opportunity to try it, definitely go for it. But then today I am feeling the glow, so I'm gonna go in with Mary Lou and I'm gonna pile this on just because I really felt like being extra. And I'm just putting this on my cheekbone and then kind of bringing it around the corner up onto my brow bone to really enhance that highlight effect. I also put this on my nose in Cupid's bow, and I went a little heavy-handed, so I just took my foundation brush, and it didn't really have any product on it, but I just used that to blend it out. And then I filled in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, but I did fast forward through this because you guys have seen me do this so many times, and it's quite time consuming. So then I went in and lined my eyes. I used a black eyeliner to tightline and a green eyeliner for my waterline. I didn't show you the green liner because I was out of frame, so there's the product, but I applied that and then took that purple shade in the shade Cliche, and then you can see I'm using that to blend out my eyeliner, but I'm also connecting my lower waterline up into that outer corner just to create that smoky eye. And then I went in with that same Stila shadow, and I'm just putting that right in the center on my lower lash line to mimic what I have on the lid. And then I'm just going to go in and blend that out a little bit to make sure that everything is nice and seamless. Then I took these Ardell Faux Mink lashes in the style 811, which I have to be honest, I didn't love them. And I applied these off camera, but beforehand I did apply some mascara to conceal my lashes. And then once I was done applying my lashes, I just went in with a little bit of that mascara on my lower lashes as well. Then I'm taking that same highlight and highlighting my brow bone as well as my inner corner just to bring the look together. Now I'm taking a Morphe lip liner in the shade Backseat Love, and I'm lining my lips with that before I go in and apply the Morphe Plush Liquid Lip in the shade Dainty, which I absolutely love. This is one of my new favorite combos, and then that completes the look.
Alright guys, so this is the complete look. I hope you guys liked today's video. I actually am really feeling this right now. I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to film when I sat down, but I knew I wanted to use my new Morphe 35N palette because these tones are literally giving me life. They're so beautiful. And then I bought a bunch of new Morphe lips and just a bunch of new products that I wanted to try out today. So I did that in this video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys! What is this? Why? Why?
Figured I did it, quit it just one night.
Oh my god, that was awful. Why do I always do this? Why do I drop everything? I think it just goes with my clumsy personality.
Yes. Don't close the door.
I'm out of the country. Did it by myself, dog. Take you to the mall and get you a new outfit.